Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking all about why do intentions take so long to manifest. Now, I know that you've been working on your manifestation journey for a while, and sometimes when we are intentionally manifesting, because we are manifesting every day, right? Whether we know it or not, sometimes there is a delay, or sometimes what we desire to manifest doesn't happen. So today I'm going to share 5 things that may be holding your intentions from manifesting. Grab your paper and pen. Let's jump right into it. Sometimes when you desire to hold an intention to create something new in your life, such as a new job, more clients, a new relationship, a new home, more money, whatever that thing is, sometimes it's taken a while. And the truth is that manifestation sometimes can take a while. Sometimes there is a delay. It all depends on where you are operating on from, when it comes to the energetic, are you a vibrational match? Or sometimes depending on what it is you're trying to manifest, you're intending to manifest, it may take a while because, there may be other people involved that need to get in line so that this thing that you desire can manifest in your life. But sometimes the manifestation doesn't happen. So here are 5 things that may be stopping your intentions from manifesting or holding them up for a long time that it really needs to take. Number 1, you fail to hold the intention. Now, the universe receives your thoughts and emotions and reflects them back to you via the physical universe that we live in. But sometimes the more thought and emotion that we put into the intention, the stronger that intention gets. But if you don't really put enough or sufficient thought and emotion, that intention is not as strong. Therefore, what we want to manifest, or what you want to manifest, it's hard to manifest it because you're not really putting the thought, you're not nurturing the thoughts, you're not nurturing the emotions, the right emotions in terms of positive emotions to really, sort of make it more juicy and give it substance so that the universe can have something to work with. So that's number 1. Number 2, you put no energy behind your intention. Okay, so what this means is you believe you want something. Okay, you want to manifest more money, but there's no energy, there's no passion, you're not clear on your why. Why do you want more money? I just want more money. Well, money needs a purpose, right? And the energy, if you have no energy behind your intention, it's going to be like lukewarm, so that intention is not going to have any substance. You're not passionate about it. You say you want a relationship, you want a soulmate, a partner, but yet you're sort of like 1 foot in and 1 foot out. I don't know, these men, I don't know about these men, or the relationships are hard. And do I really want a partner? Do I really want someone that I need to share my life with? But yet you're saying, well, yeah, I want a partner. Well, you see what's happening here? There's split energy. So it's either could be split energy. You want something, but you really don't want it, or you're not really passionate. You don't really have a purpose for your intention. Or it's that you are being influenced by someone else. Someone else is saying, okay, you should desire this, you should want this, you should do this. But it's not really your intention. It's not really coming from your soul. You're not really passionate about it. Therefore, the energy to charge your intention is not there. Number 3, you hold a fuzzy intention. So similar to what I was talking about in number 2, is that you are not clear. The best intentions are clear and focused. Be specific. If you desire to manifest money, specify the exact amount that you want to manifest, and why do you need the money? Why do you want to manifest the money? If you say, okay, I want to manifest $10,000, great. Why do you want to manifest $10,000? Money needs a purpose. Be specific, get clear. Do not send fuzzy intentions. Do not create fuzzy intentions, and then when it doesn't happen, you are disappointed and you figure, well, this thing doesn't work. Okay, we are always manifesting, and what I teach you here is about intentional manifestation, so that you can create that life, you can live that life that you desire, and you can create a wildly successful business as an entrepreneur. Number 4, you inadvertently cancel your intention. So to give you an example, so that you can make, have an idea what I'm talking about. So you say that you want to bring in more clients, or you want more money, or you want to scale your business, but yet every day you're talking about, I'm so depressed. I'm depressed. I hate being depressed. Well, what do you think is happening there? Or you want to be happy, but you're talking about you're depressed. So you see what I'm saying? You are canceling your intention. You say you want to be happy, but you're talking about you're depressed. You say you want to manifest more clients, but you're complaining that, oh, there's too much work. You see what I'm saying? Or you say you want a partner, but you don't want to be open. You don't want to share. You don't want to open your heart. So, and the thing is, when you have these emotions or thoughts, they are so charged with emotion that there's so much emotion over here that it cancels out this intention over here that you say you want to manifest. Do you understand the difference? Tell me below in the comments if you've ever done any of these experience, or unintentionally, not manifest something in any of these ways. Okay. Number 5, the last way that you may have delayed your intention and why it may be taking so long is that your intention conflicts with your beliefs. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you hear I've talked about, and probably you've heard from other people, other teachers, that your belief is very important to what you want to manifest. So for example, if you say, I want to become a billionaire, or I want to become a millionaire, or I want to bring in 6 figures in my business, but you don't believe that it's possible for you, then it's not going to happen. Or it will take a long, long time until you reframe your beliefs and get behind the intention. You have to get behind your intention with belief. Right? You're not going to say, well, today I'm going to manifest $10,000, and you don't believe it's possible. Deep down inside, you're thinking, well, how is it going to come? I don't know. How is it possible? I don't have a program, product, or service for this thing to come in. Who's just going to give me $10,000? So you see, do you hear all the unbelief and all the disbelief thoughts and things that you probably are telling yourself? So when you set an intention, you have to back it up with belief. And if you've manifested before, maybe not as on a magnitude like that, you should create an intention that is just outside of your comfort zone. If you're having a hard time really putting belief behind your intention, and then build. So you build manifestation, especially intentional manifestation, is like building a muscle. You got to build a muscle. You're not going to go to the gym for the first time and push 100-pound weights, right? Or pick up barbells that's 100 pounds, and you've never lifted a weight in your life. No, you start with 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20 pounds. You build up your muscle, and you build, and you start to build up your strength, and then you can actually start to lift heavier weights. And it's the same thing with intentional manifestation. You're not out the gate. If I want to become a billionaire, and you have no belief, you haven't even become a millionaire yet, but you want to become a billionaire today without even believing that it's possible for you. So do you understand what I'm saying? It's about the belief, that you believe that it's possible for you. Okay, so here are the 3 keys to really help you with your manifestation. so that you can stop delaying your manifestation or really amplify your manifestation so they don't take us out. But remember that there is a delay in some manifestations. Some may happen miraculously overnight, but some may take some time, a gestation period, right? And which is okay, and you have to be okay with that. So here are 3 keys to really help you. 1 is be patient and understand that there is a gestation period when it comes to manifestation. That's number 1. The second key is to work your muscle of intentionally manifesting, like what I said earlier. Build up your manifestation muscle, okay? So that when you get to those bigger dreams and goals, you can really put belief behind them, and that you know for sure, without a doubt, this is what you want. You have clarity on what it is for. You have your purpose. You understand your why, and it's going to be for the greater good of all. Then it will be a good thing, and it will manifest in your life. Number 3 is to really surrender the outcome. Yeah, we gotta hold fast to the vision. We gotta be clear on what we are manifesting and what we are intending to manifest. But we also have to surrender. At the end of the day, we have to surrender, because sometimes when we get into holding on and attaching to the outcome, we get into the lack and scarcity mindset. We start drifting over to the side where, oh, it hasn't shown up yet. When is it going to show up? I've been trying to manifest this thing for 30 days now and it hasn't showed up. And all your focus is on the fact that you don't have it. Okay? So those are the 3 keys. Be patient with yourself, build your manifestation muscle, and surrender and release your attachment to the outcome. Now, I hope that this video has served you, and let me know below if any of these, the 5 ways that I talked about how you could be, delaying, or why your intentions take so long to manifest, have you experienced any of those ways? And I hope that the 3 keys will help you in your manifestation journey as well. Now, if you desire deeper support, I would love for you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club. The link is in the description below. Here's where I would help you, along with my other coaches in the club, help you really master your mindset, do what you love, and make more money without sacrificing your soul. The link is in the description below. I'd love to see you on the inside. Also, remember to follow me on Instagram. I am at Kharisma _Aro. And as always, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.